So what I'd like to do is just show you a little bit about how to service the spring on the FG15, FG16. Actually, most of our housings have the same mechanism. So what you have to do is pry off the cover that's on top of the zoom. And different housings have different functions, but on the zoom cover, it's a small plastic cover like that, which has the icons, and you must use a small, like a jeweler's screwdriver to get in there and just pry it out. It's glued in to a degree, and it's pretty tight, so sometimes you'll actually damage the cover. I mean, damage it aesthetically, but I guess you have to get used to that. And then you take a small Phillips head screwdriver, like this one, and there's a Phillips head screw here, which you undo. Okay, this has nothing to do, it does not affect the water tightness of the housing at all. This is an external repair, and then you actually have to pull off the zoom lens with the Phillips screw still intact. And then you can see here there's a spring mechanism. And sometimes this spring pops out of place. And basically what you have to do is get it back in the groove here. You see here, like it is now. Sometimes sometimes people force it a little bit and it pops out. So you have to get these two little legs like inside the U groove here and position it. That's it. And then you reverse the process. You take the, once again, you take the zoom lever and you just put it back in its place, okay, until it sits down well. And then you tighten the screw, tighten it down until it's actually quite firm, because you don't want this to be slipping, and test it to make sure it springs back and forth in both directions. And then this cover, this little plastic cover, which has now been slightly damaged by the prying of the screwdriver, you just pop it down. Now you could use a little adhesive or contact cement to get it back and make sure it stays in its right place, but you get the idea. And then it's functioning, and you could use it as a zoom, and the problem is solved. Thank you very much.